The most important thing while growing a Skool community. I've helped a community that was making 250K a month, grew another to 30K a month, helping one that's making about 20K a month right now. And this isn't actually something that you do on a daily basis or something inside the community. The thing that is the most important by far is data, tracking data. Now, of course, that sounds extremely boring and who the fuck cares, right? But it's so unbelievably important. For example, when I used to work at the company that was making 250K a month, this was before the dashboards were out, and I did some stats, and we basically realized that 40% of our paid members came from Skool. That completely changed everything, because then we focused a lot more on Skool itself, right? So, outside of just having the Skool dashboard, track the things that specifically for you drive sales. So, for example, if you're running ads, you should track how much the ads cost, etc., etc. And another way to think about this is awareness precedes control. I can't control the spend, how I move the spend if I don't have awareness over it. What gets measured gets managed. Same thing, said differently. Another story from Homozy is his best friend, I think, did weight loss programs, and they were doing it for 3 years, and they just kept taking stuff away, to the point where all that was left was they had to get on the scale in the morning. That was it. That was literally all they did, and they lost weight, right? So, similar thing. So I had another story recently, which is this person doubled their reviews, and all they did is they literally tracked the reviews that each rep in the support team got, and they just showed it to them. That was it. That was all they did. No extra incentives, no nothing. So, track the data that you want improved and look at it on a regular basis. Okay. Bye.